Long time no see, YouTube. Welcome back to Flick Socks. I need to find a way to change this channel name to RTX. But why haven't I seen you guys in a long time? Why have I been lacking on TikTok? Why have I been lacking on YouTube? Why have I not posted too much trading? As of late, for the past 4 months, I've been very car-centered. And you'd assume I'd be posting the cars. No. I'm going to explain to you today how buying and crashing 2 BMWs changed my perspective on life. Let's start from the very beginning. I was going car shopping about 2 years ago when I was like dirt bro. Like I had money, just like enough for a 15-year-old, 16-year-old, right? And I wanted to buy a car. First car I went to get, it was a Honda Civic, $2,500. Engine blew, the guy gave me my money back. Nice guy, right? I stopped car shopping for a little. I started talking about how much Facebook Marketplace and dealerships sucked on TikTok. One of my boys hits me up, is Jan. He's like, let's go car shopping. Facebook Marketplace, I got you. He flips cars and he's good at it. We go to check out a couple cars we don't like too much. We find a 328i, a BMW 328i. Amazing color, I loved the car. I decided to get the car. And I'm driving this car, and I have so much love for this car, and the whole time I'm driving it, I'm slacking. Yeah, I'm driving the car. Yeah, I have money. I have money left over. I was doing pretty good for myself at that time. I was slacking on trading. I wasn't waking up on market open. And if I was waking up at 9:30, 9:15. Right? I was just slacking a lot. And on my affiliates, I wouldn't even push it. Not like that's like the biggest thing, but like I'd push my affiliate, right? So with this 2011 328, I felt like I was like above everyone else. I had this ego with such a little to show for it. And it punished me. It punished me. It's like in trading, where if you let your ego get to you, you'll get punished. I got punished in real life. I was going to pick my mom up from the hospital, and I was driving down the road. I gotta watch what I say here. None of this is legal, because I didn't file. But something happens and I crashed, and it was really bad. The subframe was basically on the floor. My springs were shot. And I had to get it towed, and I sent it to ChatGPT. They estimated 1,000, 2,000. I go over there. The guy doesn't have to take it off the tow. He said, your car's totaled. Do you want to file with insurance? I said, I'm liability only. One of the biggest regrets I made, but it's whatever. It's not too much of an expensive car. I bought it for 5,000, so 5,200 or something. So right, that happens, and I'm in distraught. Like, this place was really close to my house, so I walked there and walked back. And on the walk back home, I was just in distraught. Like, I was actually like, oh, like, the car's gone. I love that car. I put so much value into that car. And I came to realize at that time that I didn't care about driving the car or being in the car. I made the car a part of my personality. I made it a part of me. And that's something I never wanted to do again. I never wanted to make the car me. But at that time, I still didn't fully realize that and like develop that thought in my mind. So I went out and I bought a 330, a 2017 330. And it was amazing. It was really nice. 46,000 miles, B48. That thing would have lasted a while, right? Probably could have handed it down to my kids if I took good care of it, right? Went ahead and bought it, and 6 days later I crashed and I totaled it. It was bad. It was bad. It was 4 a.m. I totaled the car. Didn't hit any other cars. No property damage. It was just my car. And then that one was full coverage. Went ahead and filed. And after that crash, I really came to realize that the type of car I have never makes me who I am. And the way I realized that is after the first BMW, I wasn't a different person. I was the same person I was before I had the BMW. But now, since I put so much value into that BMW, because it's the first big purchase I made, with my money, I thought that was me. After letting go of that BMW, I realized that I'm not just my car. I'm more than just my car. And after coming to that realization, I also realized that I need to step up my game in every other aspect. A car kept me comfortable. It kept me thinking I know what I'm doing. It kept me thinking I've made it because I'm so much above. I'm above the rest of my peers. But I didn't really see how much I was lacking. Like, yeah, I'm further than most of my peers, but what do most of my peers do? They sit in their room and they goon in the corner. Like, what the hell? Do I want to be like the rest of my peers? No. Like, I want to be better than them in most aspects, or I try to be in every aspect. And that's the biggest problem I had when I had both cars. I was very comfortable, and towards the second car I got a little less comfortable. I started pushing my affiliates more, making more videos. I started trading again regularly on time, but after that first car really took a toll on so much parts of me emotionally, took tolls on me physically. I didn't get hurt from the crash, it just like drained me. It took tolls on me financially. It was a $5,000 car. I ended up putting around $7,000 into it, but I love the car. Second car, it was I was financing it, but I put a decent amount down. I'm expected to get that back. So what I really learned from both of these crashes, in both of these BMWs that I crashed, this title is going to be so clickbait and I love it, but what I learned from crashing both of these cars, fries, man, is that the material things you have shouldn't ever signify the person that you are or the person you're going to become. Dude, this video got cut. Like, I don't know what happened. I think someone called me. But it shouldn't signify the person that you are or the person you're going to become, right? Like I was saying, material things aren't you. You are you. Your mentality should stay the same throughout your whole process. If that mentality made you money, keep that mentality. If that mentality bought you the car, keep that mentality. Don't change that mentality when you get the car because you feel like you're comfortable. When you get comfortable, that's when you start to fail. Like, you'll hear every motivational speaker talk like this: comfort kills your dreams, comfort kills the person you are. But it's not. They're not lying. It's true. Comfort really did kill the person I was. I had so much drive before both BMWs. I got both the BMWs and I started driving. You get what I mean? The drive was gone. It was all in the car. But that made me realize I need to take a step back and push myself in every other way other than, I guess, cars. Cars made me comfortable. So let me chill out on cars. Maybe get like something calm, right? Don't put my heart into it. Don't put my soul into it. And keep myself focused on the grind, keep myself focused on my financial goals as opposed to my car goals, and keep myself focused on the people around me, and keeping the people around me also financially abundant. We're using big words today, yes sir. As you can see right here, we're on a rooftop. You can see Washington from here. Obviously, I don't own this rooftop. Like I just said, I crashed 2 BMWs, right? That has nothing to do with owning a rooftop, but like I just like mentioning it. But the main takeaway is, don't allow things you own to be your value. You're worth more than what you own. And if you understand that, you'll make it so far in life. If you don't understand that, you'll buy something, own it, and get comfortable in it. And that comfort with what you own is what keeps you from getting higher. I buy a 330. I'm comfortable in the 330. I want an M3. And I just get in financial debt to get the M3, as opposed to me chilling out for a little, building up what I know, using the skills I know to build up money, and then buying the M3 straight up. Now I don't have an attachment to it because I'm not having a monthly payment to it. Now I'm not attached to the car because I understand I got the car because of what I did. I understand I'm the reason for getting the car, right? Not the bank that's loaning me the money. I understand that what I did made me able to get the car. It's a cool little add-on having a car. It's a cool little add-on having a house. But the skills you know will get you so much further in life than a car or a house. I just want you to keep that in mind. And I want you guys to keep grinding financially. I want you to keep grinding socially. I want you to keep grinding religiously. I want you to stay on that grind no matter what. I don't want anyone to stop you. And if anyone does stop you, push them out the way. Get them out your life if they're stopping you in any of those aspects, right? That's all I wanted to say for the video. Really angry it did get cut because I did say a lot more after. I just forgot it all now. But I hope you guys like this video. More to come. Might make one at DMV Iron today. You know, we're hitting it up. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. We'll be posting more soon. I need to log back into social media. I need to post once a day on TikTok. Back at least weekly uploads on YouTube. Y'all should be expecting that. And I'll see you guys later. Code RTX on all platforms.